Today I talk about Sarnath Pillar. Ashoka Pillar is placed at Sanchi at New Delhi. It was adopted in 26th January 1950. The national emblem and the lower upper parts as four lions facing north, south, and east and west. The crowning element in this pillar is is Dharma Chakra. Thank you.
The national emblem Ashoka. Ashoka Chakra is the emblem of our India. Ashoka pillar is placed at Sarnath Museum, New Delhi, India. It was adopted on 26 January 1950. The crowning element of Ashoka pillar is Dharma Chakra. The upper part has four lions facing north, east, south, west. The lower part has an elephant energy, a horse speed, a bull hard work, and a lion majestic. Thank you.
National emblem. The national emblem is taken from the Ashoka pillar in Sarnath. It is the four lions stands back to back. The national emblem is taken from the Ashoka pillar in Sarnath. It has four lions stands for back to back. Three lions are visible in the emblem. The emblem has a circular base. A bull is on the right side of the base. Thank you.
The four lion on top of the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. It was adopted on 26 January 1950. Satyabhay Jayade has been inscribed at its bottom, which means trust along troops. The national emblem consists two parts, the upper and the lower parts. The upper part has four lines facing the north, south, east, and the west. The lower part has elephant energy, horse speed, lion majestic, and a bull hard work. Thank you. Today I talk about Ashoka Chakra. This is Ashoka Chakra. Ashoka Chakra have 24 spokes in it. It designed on national flag on Constitution Assembly on 22nd January 1947. Thank you. Talk about national emblem. Lion, the capital of Ashoka. This emblem of the Indian Republic has adapted from the lion capital of one of the Sarnath located at Sarnath. The wheel from based Ashoka Chakra is a part of the national emblem. Thank you.